Okay, so time to do the side walls. So I'm going to make both side walls at the same time. I can transfer all my markings across. So these 4 pieces of timber for the top and bottom plate times 2, and you can see I've marked the lengths for each of the plates accordingly. I've had to make sure that when I go across I take off the width of 2 more plates, because the inside walls will slot in between the front and back walls, so you need to take that into account. So that's just cut these to length, and then I'll mark all the distance between the centres for the joists, cut all those in one go, and then we can screw both side plates together at the same time. So let's just chop these to length. Okay, so I've cut the 4 top and bottom plates for the 2 side walls, put them all together. I'll mark out 16-inch centres on each one, and then I'll transfer the measurements across. So we've got 16 and 32 and 4 foot, and then the last one goes on the end. So let's just scribe those up and mark those across. Okay, so I've marked out 16-inch centre lines all the way across all 4 beams. So it looks like I need 5 uprights, so let's measure and cut those out, and then we can start framing up. Okay, it's time to mark out and cut the uprights. I'm going to need 10 of those for both. So they were 1.985 meters high. So we just mark that out, scribe a square, and then start chopping. One down, 9 to go. Okay, so I've got the top plate here, bottom plate there. I've put the first of the risers in, and then we're just going to screw these in. As you can see, put a screw in there. So we need to do is just make sure they're all lined up, screw that through, and then I'll try the 2 different screws that I've brought out, one on this frame and one on the next. So that's just screwing these in. Okay, so line it all up, use your square if needed. Don't forget we've got the centre line mark that we've done, so I've just started off the screw here, follow the centre line through, and I'm going to use 2 screws on each. So let's just screw this one in. That's one done, one more, and then that should be done. Okay, that's the first one done. So all we need to do really is just rinse and repeat and go all the way across. So let's get that done now.
And just like that, the side walls of our ultimate smart shed are built and ready. This is another great milestone in the project, and getting the side walls perfectly framed and square is a crucial next step towards building a sturdy and reliable shed structure. Next time, we'll take on the front wall, including the door opening, and get this thing standing up and really start to see the entire shed come together. You won't want to miss it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. I really do love to hear your thoughts and comments. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next part of the build. You can also check out the full playlist right here to see every step from the very beginning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everybody.